At 40 degrees Celsius, a brass wire of 1 mm radius is hung from the ceiling. A small mass M is hung from the free end of the wire. When the wire is cooled down from 40 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius, it regains its original length of 0.2 meters. The value of M is close to. We have been given the coefficient of linear expansion to be 10 to the power minus 5 per degree Celsius and Young's modulus of brass to be 10 to the power 11 Newton per meter square. G is to be taken as 10 meter per second square. So, this is the mass hanging from the wire. Gravitational force acts on this mass, which is equal to mg. The radius of wire is given to us, which is 1 mm, that is 10 to the power minus 3 meters. Initial length L0 is equal to 0.2 meters. Applying the formula for linear expansion, we get delta L equals to L0 alpha delta T, where alpha is the coefficient of linear expansion and delta T is the change in temperature. From here we can write delta L upon L0 to be equal to alpha delta T. This is our first equation. The second equation we can get from Young's modulus, which is equal to stress over strain. Here stress is equal to force per unit area and strain is delta L over L0. We can write delta L over L0 equals to F divided by AY. Putting the values of F and A, we get delta L over L0 to be mg upon pi r square into y. This is our second equation. Equating both the equations, we get alpha delta T equals to mg upon pi r square y. Therefore, we can write m to be equal to alpha delta T pi r square y upon g. Putting the values of all the terms, we get m equals to 10 to the power minus 5 into 20 as the change in temperature